Equipment overview. Press the rotary knob to switch on the infotainment system manually. The main menu features the following options: radio mode, media mode, phone mode, voice mode, navigation mode, traffic reports, car, main menu selection, volume switch on, off, settings knob. Main menus. Press the menu option to activate the main menu, which can be accessed from the display. Radio, media, navigation, traffic, telephone, vehicle, full link, sound, images, setup. General operating instructions. With the touchscreen, you can navigate, activate functions or open sub-menus by pressing the active areas of the settings options. An option can also be selected from a list by turning the settings knob and pressing it when the option that is to be activated lights up. To zoom in on an image, touch the touchscreen with 2 fingers and pinch outwards to zoom out or inwards to zoom in. The infotainment screen also has input screens with an on-screen keypad to input texts in cases such as naming a stored value, selecting a destination address, or entering a search term. Voice control. Many radio, media, phone and navigation functions may be activated through voice commands. These are activated by pressing the corresponding button on the multifunction steering wheel or the voice key. An ascending acoustic signal will be heard and a main command menu will be displayed. The system will only recognize a command when the corresponding symbol is displayed as active on the display or touchscreen and in the language selected in system settings. When typing the corresponding symbol, it can be paused for maximum 3 minutes. When selecting each of the different functions, navigation, telephone, radio, media and voice control, a menu will be displayed relating the principal orders, and each one will show a brief explanation of their performance as a help mode. Speak the required command. For example, call John Smith. Once the desired action has been performed, voice control will end automatically. It can also be ended manually by pressing the corresponding button on the multifunction steering wheel until the confirmation signal is heard. You could also deactivate it by briefly pressing the voice key twice. Car menu. A lot of information about the state and consumption of the vehicle are collected by the menu option Car. With this information, the system may offer advice on how to save fuel and evaluate if the driving is efficient. Menu and system settings. Press the infotainment menu key immediately followed by the Setup function button. Changes can be made from the Setup option, such as changing display brightness, selecting language, establishing units of measure, configuring data transfer from mobile devices, or setting the date and time. Select the function you wish to adjust. It is important that the vehicle's time and date be set properly for the infotainment system to operate properly. Volume and sound settings. With the sound option, you can adjust the vehicle's volume and sound settings for traffic reports and spoken navigation instructions. You can also equalize the sound and change other sound settings.
SEAT.